If you look at this question, if the diagonal of a square, like this, if the diagonal of the square is along like this, is along 8x minus 15y is equal to 0, okay, and one of its vertex is at the point 1, 2. Let me call like this, BA. Is it okay? ABCD, like this we'll call. And then the equation of the side of the square passing through this vertex. So obviously now if I consider this as theta, this will be 45 degree, and we know that this angle will be equal to how much degree? 90 degree. So this is nothing but the side of the square. This is also the side of the square. Let me call this as line number 1 now. Let me call this as line number 2. And we clearly know that L1 is perpendicular to L2 because it's a square. Now you see that if I call this as line number 3, I'll call this as line number 3. Angle between L1 and L3 is 45 degree, correct? So I can say tan theta, that is equal to modulus of m3 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m3, where m1 is the slope of line 1, m3 is the slope of line 3. So if you can consider what is the slope of the line 3, see, answer to the question will be minus 8 divided by minus 15, that is equal to 8 by 15, correct? 8 by 15. So I can say tan of 45 degree, that is equal to modulus of, tell me, m3 is 8 by 15 minus m1 divided by 1 plus 8 by 15 times m1, correct or not? So tan 45 is 1, that is equal to modulus of 8 minus 15 m1 divided by 15 plus 8 m1, correct? So what do we get now? So we will get here when we remove the modulus. I can put like this, plus or minus 1, that is equal to 8 minus 15 m1 divided by 15 plus 8 m1, correct? So I can say case number 1 will be plus 1, that is equal to 8 minus 15 m1 divided by 15 plus 8 m1. So I can say 15 plus 8 m1, that is equal to 8 minus 15 m1. So I can say 23 m1, that is equal to minus 7. So m1 is equal to minus 7 by 23. Similarly, if I say minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 15 m1 divided by 15 plus 8 m1. So minus 15 minus 8 m1, that is equal to 8 minus 15 m1. So 7 m1, that is equal to minus 7. 8 plus 15. So this is 23, correct or not? So m1 is equal to 23 by 7. It only justifies what now? It only justifies if you take one angle 45 degree, another angle 45 degree, if the slope is negative, tan 45 is nothing but tan of 135, right? So these two lines are becoming perpendicular to each other. That's the meaning of it. So you calculate the equation of the line passing through this point. So case 1. So look here, case 1, x1 comma y1 passing through that vertex, have to calculate the side, right? 1 comma 2 and m, what is that? M is equal to, m1 is equal to minus 7 divided by 23. So I can say y minus y1, that is equal to m1 into x minus x1. So I can say y minus 2, that is equal to minus 7 by 23 into x minus 1. So 23y minus of 46 minus 7x plus 7, correct or not? So what is the answer that we get? This implies 7x plus 23y, that is equal to 46 plus 7 will become equal to 53. This is one equation. Similarly, if I talk of the second case, case 2, this will be x comma y or x1 comma y1, okay, that is equal to 1 comma 2. And what is this m1 is equal to in this case? 23 by 7, correct or not? 23 divided by 7. So I can say y minus y1, that is equal to 23 divided by 7 into x minus x1. So 7y minus 14, that is equal to 23x minus 23. So I can say 23x minus of 7y, 23x minus 7y, that is equal to 7, correct or not? So if you look at the question, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. So your answer to the question here will be 9. So if you look at the options, which of the options are matching here? Answer matching is option number A. Correct or not? If you look at this, it is given in the problem, it is given in the options like this. Option A is given in the problem as 7x plus 23y minus of 53 is equal to 0. Okay? Or 23x minus 7y minus 9 is equal to 0. Both are equations of the line, and option A is the correct answer. Do you get it? Option A is the correct answer.